A quick tip on how to overcome your fear is actually not to overcome it, but to listen to it. For example, let's say you are scared to do something. If the fear is so strong that you can't move, if you are stuck in a situation and you know it's for your own good, you should try this technique. Sit with yourself and talk to the part that doesn't want to go there. Talk to your resistance. A part of you is most probably pulling to the other direction, the opposite direction of where you want to go. And this part has very, very good reasons not to want to go there. It's scared that since in the past this same decision brought problems, issues and pain, of course it's like, no, I've been there, I don't want us to go there again. So I have to protect you from taking this decision. Even if logically you know the decision is good, a part of you is still afraid. You can't just go against your resistance. You need to work with it and work together. For example, let's say I am afraid to leave a toxic relationship, a relationship where I don't fit in, that doesn't make me feel good. And I know that the best thing to do is to move away. People who are stuck in relationships like this usually do know that the relationship is not good for them, but they don't have tools to set themselves free. And this is because the resistance reasons are stronger than the actual will to break free from the situation. Let's say I want to leave my partner, but I'm afraid, this is the resistance, I'm afraid that if we leave now, we will be alone completely because it's happened in the past. We had no tools and we had to stay in pain for months and months, and I don't want to go back in that hell. So since this situation is terrible, yeah, but at least we know it's safe, I don't want to face the unknown. This is a good reason, right? Maybe it's not logical, but it's still a good reason. Like, there is a real emotion of fear because yes, it's true that in the past situations that were similar brought a lot of pain. So taking a choice to break free is very, very brave. So instead of pushing against the resistance, which is already pushing against your decision, work together with it. Sit with this part, listen to it, and embrace the emotion. The emotion that will probably lead to a trauma that happened in the past or a reoccurring situation. You will see a pattern in every relationship probably, and this is your call to action, your call to break the pattern right now, once for all. Yeah, it's uncomfortable to break free from a situation like this, but is it really worth it? You may face unknown and unsafety, yes, but do you prefer a situation where you with certainty know that you're going to feel bad for the rest of your life? You prefer this unfolding infinite possibility? Take care of the resistance. It will be really easy for you to break free at that point because all parts of you agree eventually. Yes, it may be uncomfortable, but it's still the right thing to do. You can apply the same for if you need to leave a job, if you want to change something, if you want to lose weight. Take an action that requires a lot of bravery. Instead of pushing you and blame you and shame you for not doing it, or really bulldozing this part of you, make sure that all the parts of you are on the same page. And this will make things easier.